Okay, thank you, dear. Thank you, Jatin. Thank you. Okay, now what is the ratio if you want to write W2 minus W1 upon W2 plus W1? What is the value of it? It will be tan phi upon root 3. So what we can say, tan phi is equal to root 3 W2 minus W1 W2 plus W1 implies phi is equal to tan inverse root 3 W2 minus W1 upon W2 plus W1. This is an important result which will help us to do a problem now. Okay. Let us do a problem quickly. Question. The input power to a three-phase synchronous motor was measured using 2 wattmeter method. Okay. If the readings of the 2 wattmeters were 5 kilowatt and 6 kilowatt respectively, find the following. Active power, reactive power, apparent power, and power factor. Can somebody read its problem? I want to check the readability of this problem with everyone. Siddhant Vashne, are you there? Siddhant Vashne. Okay, Amritanshu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you please read the problem?
The input power to a three-phase synchronous motor was measured using 2 wattmeter method. If the readings of 2 wattmeter were 5 kilowatt and 6 kilowatt respectively, find the following: active power, reactive power, apparent power, and power factor.
Very good. Very good. Now, it's very simple. The load is a three-phase synchronous motor. Okay, and it is being fetched by, it is fetching power from a three-phase AC power supply. Okay, so one watt meter reads 5 kilowatt, another watt meter reads 6 kilowatt. Now tell me the answers. If this is W1, if this is W2, we know that active power or total power will be the sum of the readings of the watt meter 1 and 2. So active power P will be 3 VPIP cos phi, which is same as root 3 VLIL cos phi, and it's equal to W1 plus W2. So what is the answer? It is 11 kilowatt. Is that okay? Now to find reactive power, you have to know the value of sin phi. You have to know the value of sin phi. So what will help you is these two values. We just saw here that phi is equal to this, tan inverse W2 minus W1 upon W2 plus W1. So phi is tan inverse root 3 times W2 minus W1 upon W2 plus W1. So it is W2 minus W1 is what? 1. W2 plus W1 is 11. So it will be tan inverse root 3 into 1 upon 11. So what is the value? Can you tell me quickly? I am giving you 1 minute for this. Tell me what is the value of phi? Please post it on the chat box. What is the value of phi? Yes, very good. It is 8.948275565. So you can just take it 8.95 degrees. Okay, thank you. Very good, very good. So phi is 8.95 degrees. So what will be this? Can we write Q is equal to P into tan phi? Is this correct? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I can directly write 11 kilowatt into root 3 upon 11. Okay. So it is nearly root 3 kilowatt. Similarly, what is S? It is 3 VPIP. So what I can do, 3 VPIP, how you are gonna calculate? So if phi is this, cos phi is how much? Cos phi is 0.98, 0.988. Okay, so this you can write as S is equal to P into sec phi. Is that correct? Can I write S is equal to P into sec phi? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Cos will cancel.
Yeah, or you can write P upon cos phi. One and the same thing. So P is 11 kilowatt. You just have to divide by this. So you'll be getting 11.136. 11.136 kVA. But this is wrong. The unit of Q is not watt. It is volt ampere reactive. So please allow me to correct it. It is kVAR, or you can write it as 1.732 kVAR. Is this okay? So what is power factor? Power factor is 0.9878. Are we done with this problem? Can we proceed ahead? Anybody having any doubts in this problem? Okay, if you don't have any doubt in this problem, we will do another problem. Question is this: a balanced three-phase load is fed from a 200 volt 50 hertz three-phase AC supply. Okay. If the readings on the two wattmeters are 400 watt and 300 watt respectively, find the following. Number 1, line current. Number 2, reactive volt ampere. Number 3, power factor. Can you read this problem? It will be great if somebody can really read this problem so that I get the confirmation that you are able to read it.
A balanced three-phase load is fed from a 200 volt 50 Hz three-phase AC supply. If the readings are on the 2 2 volt 2 watt meters are 400 watt and 300 watt respectively, find the following: line current, reactive and power factor.
Reactive volt ampere.
Volt ampere and power factor.
Yes, this it means simply Q. Okay, volt ampere, reactive volt ampere means Q. Why? Because the unit for Q is volt ampere reactive. So can you solve it? I am getting the gut feeling that you are capable of solving it. So I will give you 3 minutes, not more than that. It's 3 o'clock. At 3:03, I will check the chat box who has taken the initiative to solve this problem. It only requires your initiative and nothing else because it's a very simple problem. So I'll wait for 3 minutes. Yeah, anyone? Do you need more time or what? Okay, Amritanshu is telling phi is 13.897. Good, dear. Very good. Okay, I will solve it now because it's time now. Or do you need some more time? No. Line current 2.08 ampere, Jatin Dubey. Let us see now. Okay. You can take W1 is equal to 300 watt and W2 is equal to 400 watt. Okay. So naturally P will be what? W1 plus W2, 700 watt. Okay. Phi will be what? Tan inverse root 3 W2 minus W1 upon W2 plus W1. Tan inverse root 3 upon 7. .89. So you can call this to be 13.9 degrees. So since P is V root 3 VLIL cos phi, from this we can easily find out what is IL. VL is this. I told you it's generally specified in terms of line voltage. So line current can be easily found out. And what is cos phi? Cos 13.9 degrees. .9707. So it is so I am getting 2.08. What is the value they are getting? Let me see if somebody is posted in the channel. Yeah, 2.08. Yes, Srivastav, how you are getting 3 ampere, dear? Yes, are you there?
Yes, so maybe some calculation mistake I've done.
And Jatin Dubey, first of all, you posted 2.08. Now you are posting 2.63. Which?
यस सर, वो भी थोड़ा गलत हो गया था सर.
नहीं तो कौन सा सही लग रहा है आपको?
सर ये वाला करेक्ट है सर.
कौन सा?
2.63 एम्पियर्स.
2.63 आ रहा है?
यस
मेरा
सर.
तो ऐसा नहीं आ रहा है बेटे, मेरा तो 2.08 आ रहा है, या तो मैंने कहीं गलती की है. This formula is correct, right?
Yes sir.
P will be root 3 VLIL cos phi or 3 VP IP cos phi. Root 3 is there. VL is 200 volt. Okay. And cos phi is 0.9707. So IL, if you use this, you get 2 into. So if you use this, what is the value of IL you are getting? I am getting 2.08. What? How you are getting 2.63, dear? Either I am wrong or you are mistaken. what is the correct answer? So it is nearly 2.08 which I am getting. Please correct me if I am wrong. Okay. Okay. So we are done with this. We are done with this. Now, have you observed something? There is a stark contrast from what we have been doing till now. Till now, whenever and wherever they have been asking about power factor, we have always been appending the numerical value of cosine with a phrase either lagging or leading. But if you see the previous problem, if you see the previous problem also, now I'm not talking about lagging or leading. Why? Tell me. See, the reason is that you have the readings of the 2 watt meters, but you do not know what is the phase sequence. What is the phase sequence? Now, if the phase sequence is this ABC, and if you call this one as W1, this one as W2, okay? There are two expressions. One is for W1 and another is for W2. But you just change the phase sequence. W1 value will become W2 and W2 will become W1. Okay. So depending upon the phase sequence, the value of W1 and W2 will change. Okay. Is that okay? You got it or not? For example, your Z is mod Z angle phi. Let us say 20 angle 30 degree. So phi is 30 degree. Okay. So in that case, W1 will be less than W2. Yes or no? You agree with me or not? If phi is positive. Do you agree with this result? If phi is positive, W1 will be less than W2. And if phi is negative, W1 will be greater than W2. Okay. So that fact you have to keep in mind, and depending upon what you choose, if you choose W1 as VL IL cos 30 degree plus phi, and you choose W2 as VL IL cos 30 degree minus phi, then you have to assign proper numerical value depending upon what is your assumption. If your assumption is that the load is inductive, okay, then W1 will be less than W2. If your assumption is that the load is capacitive, then W2 will be less than W1. So this is very, very important. Anybody having any doubts? We'll stop now. And I wish you all the best for your examinations tomorrow, those who are writing. Okay. Anybody having any doubts in this, please let me know. Otherwise, we will stop. And I will post an assignment now. This is third assignment, which is common for all sections. So these are in fact practice questions.
सर
Yes, please tell me.
सर हमारे साथ सेमी इन्विजिलेटर रहेंगे ना, जो पहले हमारी जो ग्रुप्स की टीम बनी थी, या फिर अभी वापस न्यू ऐड होंगे हम किसी टीम में?
नहीं बेटे, वही इन्विजिलेटर रहेंगे। अगर वो
अच्छा सर।
अनलेस एंड अनटिल कोई इमरजेंसी आती है तो अभी तक तो वही इन्विजिलेटर रहेंगे।
एंड सर जैसे कि अभी MT2 हो जाएगा, उसके बाद हमारी नॉर्मल क्लासेस लगेगी, या फिर मतलब जो कोर्स है वो वहीं पे हो जाएगा? मतलब आई मीन न्यू पढ़ाएंगे या केवल प्रैक्टिकल्स होंगे?
नहीं देखो, जहाँ तक बीईटी की बात है, मुझे तीन लेक्चर कम से कम और चाहिए होंगे, तो मैं सिलेबस वाइंड अप कर दूंगा. ओके, आई नीड 3 more lectures after this. Okay, and you please contact individual faculty members, because देखो syllabus, there is a set syllabus actually, so that has to be kept in mind before I can make any comment on it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.